Dear friends, before applying this dot product using Python, let me just use simple step-by-step exercise to really understand how the dot product works. Let's begin with exercise 1, taken from the book AI by Hand by Professor Tom. Dear friends, the simplest possible dot product, of course, here we have a vector contains, A contains just a one number, 5. And the B vector also contains one number, that is the 3. So the dot product is defined as multiplying each corresponding element and then summing them up here. Since there are only one element in each vector, we only do multiplication. So here 5 times 3 equals, here it is 50. So, and that's our result. Of course, this exact example shows that when vector have only one dimension, the dot product is identical to simply multiplication. It's a good warm-up before moving into a larger vector. Okay, dear friends, kindly just observe these exercise gives you a step-by-step intuition for how dot product works. And finally, you can just find many more to practice on the book AI by Hand by Professor Tom. I just provide the link in the description. Kindly practice a lot directly.